Hey everyone, this spring I revamped my flower bed and needed one final touch to make it complete. I went on a mission to find a dragonfly stepping stone, and guess what? I found this beautiful dragonfly on Amazon. I am absolutely in love with it. If you are interested in checking out this dragonfly stepping stone, I will put a link in the description, or you can check out kongsumer.com/dragonfly. This dragonfly-shaped stepping stone from Nat Jules is an animal and nature-inspired design that brightens up your indoor or outdoor spaces. Its dimensional design adds interest in your decor and expresses a playful personality. It is made of a cast resin material which is sturdy and durable, as well as vibrant and eye-catching. This unique piece elevates your decorating spaces with an artful character, perfect for indoor and outdoor use. The resin material prevents water damage and splitting, making it ideal for a wall mount or ground display. The stepping stone measures approximately 11 inches in diameter. It's a great addition to a fence, a patio, a garden, or anywhere you want to landscape. I would highly recommend this cute stepping stone if you need something for a final touch. If you are interested in checking out this dragonfly stepping stone, I will put a link in the description, or you can check out kongsumer.com/dragonfly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.